facility by landing and taking off from an aircraft carrier, and by performing vital scientific missions for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration out of Sunnyvale, California. From its lofty vantage point 12 miles above the Earth, a U-2's sophisticated cameras can record hundreds of square miles in a single frame, helping to plot the course of urban development, recording the havoc caused by an erupting volcano, or the possibility of flooding due to an early spring thaw. But the majority of U-2s still fly reconnaissance missions over potential trouble spots. In 1981, 13 years after Lockheed produced the last U-2R, a modernized version rolled off the assembly line. Known as the TR-1 for its tactical reconnaissance responsibilities, this new version is 40% larger than the original U-2, yet shares its same basic outline. The TR-1 also continues the U-2's more than 30-year record as the world's highest flying single-engine aircraft. Because of the secrecy surrounding the primary mission of the U-2, few people will ever know its many achievements. Yet, whether charting the Earth's natural resources or conducting military reconnaissance, the U-2 family of aircraft has proven to be a national asset. The 1950s were a time of thought and a time of concern.